kasama natin ngayon ang buong barkada ng Pampanga at saka ng Meeting Grounds Coffee House. Yung first stop natin, ito yung kanilang fun ranch. So dito guys, makikita ninyo merong mga slides, may mga obstacles, may mga ball pits. Meron din section dito for educational or para mga in character, mga professions, ganyan, no? Ay sila, oh. So yung next stop natin is yung jump yard. For the record, this is the first and biggest indoor trampoline park dito po sa Pampanga. Papasok tayo and papakita natin how you can enjoy this park. And if you're trying to, try it or, just to take a look kung ano ba yung nasa loob. So ayun, let's get inside. Hindi pala siya madali, kahit na gano'n na nakikita mo parang madali na siyang gawin. So, siguro it takes practice, gano'n. So, ay grabe. Masarap ng feeling pero iba na talaga pag nagkakaedad. Guys, kung saan tayo nandito ngayon, ito yung kanilang parang event center. So this is actually just half of the entire floor, no? Parang na-fold kasi ito. So this can accommodate up until 350. Dito you can hold your events like birthdays or christening or mostly parties, guys. Right after nilang maglaro, pwede din na papakita na kayo dito. So, hey, nice one. Last attraction natin, they call it Laser Max, Laser Tag Arena. So yung first game namin is for kids muna, then later on couples sila. So ayun, Team Luis versus Team Isa, sino kayang mananalo? Batch na mga players, yung mga adults naman, girls versus boys yung team namin. So, siniset up na yung mga girls, then later yung mga boys na.
Magkaamadi pa rin kami mag-asawa kayo.
Alright, good job, good job. Alright. Luis, how's the experience? How do you like it? You like it? How about you? You like it? You like it? Thumbs up? Thumbs up? Thumbs up. Thank you, thank you.